Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by checking the basics that matter. Open settings and confirm Wi-Fi is on and airplane mode is OFF. These prevent a limited connection. Once done, toggle Wi-Fi OFF, wait about 5 seconds, then toggle it back on to force a fresh probe for networks. This clears simple radio glitches. If you see the problematic network, long press it to access options, because you'll need to forget or reconfigure it in the next step. You now remove stale settings. Long press the network name and choose Forget or Remove to erase cached credentials. This prevents authentication loops. Once forgotten, reboot the tablet to clear DHCP and ARP entries, or open Advanced Wi-Fi and select Renew DHCP lease to get a new IP address. After the device restarts, select the network and enter the correct password carefully. Misentered credentials can yield limited access. You finish by checking the router and advanced settings, reboot the router, verify firmware is current, and confirm the DHCP range isn't exhausted. These often cause limited connections. If DHCP keeps failing, assign a static IP within the router subnet and correct gateway to bypass lease issues. Make sure DNS settings are valid, switching to 8. 8 can resolve name resolution problems. If problems persist, try connecting another device to isolate tablet versus network issues. This tells you where to focus.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.